It's Friday, fool, and you need this tool. Welcome back to another glorious episode of It's Friday, Fool, You Need This Tool. My name is Kyle Voss, and on Fridays, sometimes, I bring you a tool that I use in this shop or that has been featured on this channel. It's been a little while, got to get back in the saddle, if you know what I mean. Got a good tool for you this week though, and that is a precision ground fixture plate. Now, Mr. Voss, why would I need a precision ground fixture plate? I'm about to tell you. I think one of the reasons I like this tool so much is because I know that there's a lot of guys out there that can't necessarily have like huge welding tables, but they could use a fixture plate. They could use something that is perfectly flat, gonna stay flat, they can weld on it, use it as a heat sink, keep things from getting warped or distorted, and something like this, you know, you can kind of tuck it away when you're not using it and then slide it back out when you need it. So this fixture plate was sent to me by the guys over at METL, or METL. This is a 12 by 12 version. They also make a 12 by 24 version. It is solid steel, just under 1 inch thick, and it has what, ½ inch by 13 holes drilled everywhere. Let's see, and this thing is pretty heavy. So the holes actually go all the way through the plate itself. You can actually see it on the back side. And then it has, on the front side, it has these slip fit dowel pin style holes. Same thing like the welding tables have. This one doesn't have it, but my other one does. So you can actually make fixture clamps and that sort of thing that just slide right in there. It binds as you clamp it and it'll hold your workpiece nice and sturdy. Now back to why you would want a fixture plate or what you could use a fixture plate for. So anytime you're doing any kind of welding, whether it's, you know, like a stainless steel flange, say a turbo flange or something, or what I use them a lot for are aluminum pieces. So anytime you do like an aluminum V-band setup, when you start putting heat to this thing, it's very likely that you're gonna warp it in some form or fashion. And so having a fixture plate where you could actually mount this thing down, you could clamp it in several spots, put your tubing in there, and weld this thing around on that fixture plate will definitely minimize the amount of heat distortion that's gonna occur in this part. It's also gonna act as a heat sink, so it's gonna pull that heat out of that part really fast, or try to pull out as fast as it can. So once you weld everything up, as long as things clamp down nice and good, once it cools off, you pull that part back out, it should be in much better form than it would be if you didn't use something like a fixture plate. And obviously there's more things than just that. That to me would be one of the primary things I would use this for. If you had the larger version and you were making parts, it'd be great for that. You could actually jig up tubing, you can make small jigs in these things. Very, very useful. And like I said, the one reason I think this is really good for most of you guys out there is because of the size itself. Like, it's not a huge welding table that you have to figure out where to put it. You take this thing, you tuck it away when you need it. When you need a good fixture plate, you slide it out and you're ready to go. So there you guys go, another great tool that you may not have known about, or may have knew about fixture plates, but maybe you didn't know about this company offering something just like this. So what I'll do is I'll drop some links in the description of where you can go check these out, both sizes, and they also make some other things you can go check out too. Yeah, follow them on Facebook. Anyway, there you go. If you were looking for a fixture plate or you think you could use one, there you go. That's this week's tool. Anyway, as always, thank you for joining me. I'll see you guys actually tomorrow because I got another video for you. Go do work, son. No. It's Friday, fool.